Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's been a long time. I haven't cooked anything because it's a really busy time in America. So today everybody out. There's no one home, so I'm the only one who isn't home. So I'm cooking something for myself. It's very easy, simple things. There's nothing in the fridge, only shrimp I found, and I'm going to make shrimp sauteed with turmeric and salt. You can try this in your home. If you have a situation like me, home alone and there's nothing to cook, so let's go try shrimp fried salted shrimp with turmeric and salt and pepper. So friends, I just preheat my fry pan, so I'm going to add some avocado oil, not too much. Wait until this get warm. I have some shrimp. It's already cleaned and washed. I clean it before I start. I'm going to add some turmeric over the shrimp. A little bit. Now I'm going to saute the shrimp and then add it with the rice. You're going to eat it with the rice. So guys, so I'm going to add all the shrimp over the fry pan. You have to saute it until really golden color, not too crispy, not too dry. It's almost done, friends. So friends, you should try this in your home. It's really healthy. It's turmeric, healthy spice, and the shrimp is really with the rice. It is really delicious. I recommend you guys to please try in your home and watch the video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. So friends, my simple easy dinner is ready. Shrimp, turmeric shrimp sauteed, white rice and a salad. So my shrimp are completely ready. So I'm going to add a little bit onion, cilantro and mustard oil to make really little bit more tasty and flavorful. If it is optional, if you wanted to use it or not, so you can eat it as it is. So I love a little touch of spiciness and the onion with the white rice and shrimp. To add some I have some green chilies, cilantro and onion, chopped onion. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice over and some mustard oil. It is really optional if you guys really do want to use it or not, but I love some flavor, so make more flavorful and tasty. So I'm going to add over my shrimp. So friend, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, now good night.